And yes guys, I feel like right now during this season, even here in California, it can be quite cold inside and outside. And also in this house we actually have a central heat air, so actually if we want to warm it up, the entire house has to be warmed up. If we want to warm it down, it actually going to be the entire house. So yes guys, let's see, because this is actually an infrared heater which is gray, and it is perfect for inside and outside. So the first thing that I see when I'm opening it up is this basically this protective foam that I'm going to take out, and yes, here is the heater itself. And yes guys, it is absolutely beautiful. Okay, let me see. Alright, so here it is, as you can see. Alright, and here is the cable, so I just need to carefully bring it in. And yes guys, so let's see, the cord seems to be quite long, and this is, I believe, a base. How cool is that? So yes guys, round base, very convenient. And right here there is actually velcro, almost like felt material, so it doesn't scratch any surfaces. And also there are 3 screws, probably for the base, and here is your heater patio manual. So definitely super excited about it. And yes guys, let's continue opening it up and see exactly how it works. And yes, I really like how it is packaged, which is very durable. All right. And look guys, it actually comes with the handle right here and on and off button. Very convenient. Absolutely love it. And I believe I have to start with the base, right? So the heater is actually nice and secured. And the cord is relatively large as well, which is very convenient. All right, so let me open it up. Yes, so it is opened up, and yes guys, I can just plug it in. So it is plugged in, and yes, so even like this, it can actually already stand. How cool is that? And yes guys, let's see what happens if I turn it on. And yes guys, wow, look, it starts heating up right away. Right away, it already heating up. How cool is that? Absolutely love it. And yes guys, it's definitely a decent amount of heat. And did you know that this heater is also waterproof? So yes, you can actually use it outside because all of these parts are protected. How cool is that? So yes guys, absolutely love the design, and I hope that all of you would be able to appreciate it as well. And now I'm just going to turn it off. As you can see, easily turns on and off. And right now, yeah, this part, even as I'm touching this front, it's not as hot. You see, maybe because it wasn't working for a very long time. But yes guys, I believe all you have to do now is just to screw on the base. How cool is that? And again, absolutely love this heater. And yes, soon I'm going to screw on the base. I actually kind of like it without the base, you know, the design. And let me show it to you a little bit closer. Right guys, how cool is that? Absolutely love it. And I feel like it's very well protected. And again, electric heaters are much more economical, right, and better for the environment. And I feel like infrared is definitely a future technology, so definitely make sure to check it out. And if you are looking for a heater, it might be the one. And